Hey guys, today we're diving into something super practical and essential for anyone working or studying online, screen recording. Whether creating tutorials, capturing a meeting, or just wanting to share something cool from your screen, having the right tool is a game changer. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 free screen recording extensions for Chrome. I'll share the pros and cons, show you how to install each one, and give you a quick demo. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Screencastify, one of the most popular screen recording extensions out there. With over 12 million installs, it's a go-to tool for educators and professionals alike. Screencastify makes it super easy to record your screen, webcam, or both, and instantly save or share your videos. Whether you're making a tutorial or capturing a presentation, Screencastify has you covered, though the free version has a maximum of 10 recordings limit. Now that we know its pros and cons, let's get into the installation and use phase. First, we will install the extension. For that, go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Screencastify and press Enter. Click on the first extension. Then, click on the Add to Chrome button. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. Next is setting up the extension. For that, click on the Screencastify icon in the toolbar and sign in with your Google account. This will automatically save your recordings to Google Drive. Then grant permission for the extension to access your camera, microphone, and screen. Then comes a test recording. To do that, click on the Screencastify icon and select what you want to record: Browser tab, Desktop, or Webcam. If you choose the Browser tab or Desktop, you can also decide whether to include the webcam feed and microphone audio. Then click Record and perform any actions you want to capture. When finished, click the Screencastify icon again to end your recording. Click on this video's icon to open your recording where you can review, edit, or share it. And we're done with Screencastify here. Let's move on to the next one. At number 4, we have Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder. This extension is a two-in-one powerhouse, allowing you to capture both screenshots and screen recordings. With over 3 million installs, it's widely used by those who need to annotate images or record videos with ease. It's great for quick, detailed captures, but the free version limits video resolution and file size. Let's get into the installation process. First is the installation process. For that, navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Then, search for Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder. Click on the extension, and then click on Add to Chrome. Confirm the install by selecting Add Extension. After installation, the Awesome Screenshot icon will appear in your Chrome extensions bar. Next up is the initial setup. First of all, sign up or sign in using your email or Google account. Then, grant the necessary permissions for screen and microphone access. Finally comes the test recording. Click the Awesome Screenshot icon and choose Screen Recorder. Decide what to record: your entire screen, an application window, or a specific Chrome tab. Click Start Recording. Perform any actions you wish to record. When finished, click the Stop button. The recording will automatically be saved and opened for review. You can edit, annotate, or share your video directly from the extension. Save the video locally to Google Drive or share it via a link. On number 3, we have Nimbus Screenshot and Screen Video Recorder. This is another versatile tool on our list. This extension is perfect for anyone who needs a robust solution for both screenshots and screen recordings. It offers built-in editing features and supports various video formats. With over 3 million installs, Nimbus is a reliable choice, though some advanced features require a paid upgrade. Now that we know its pros and cons, let's get into the installation and usages process. First comes the installation. Open the Chrome Web Store in your browser. Then type Nimbus Screenshot and Screen Video Recorder in the search bar and press Enter. Open the extension and click Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. The Nimbus icon will appear in your Chrome toolbar once installed. Then is the initial setup. For that, click the Nimbus icon in your toolbar. Register or sign in with an existing account. Grant the necessary permissions for screen, microphone, and camera access. Finally comes the test recording. Click on the Nimbus icon and select Record Video. Choose what to record: the entire screen, a specific window, or a Chrome tab. Select additional options including webcam and microphone audio. Click Start Recording. Carry out the actions you want to capture. When done, click the Nimbus icon again and select Stop Recording. The recording will automatically open for you to view and edit. Trim the video or add annotations if needed. Save it to your local storage Nimbus note or upload it to your preferred cloud storage. At number 2, we have Loom. Loom is a favorite among many, particularly for its ease of use and the ability to share recordings instantly. With over 14 million installs, it's a popular choice for professionals and teams who need to communicate quickly. Loom lets you record your screen, camera, or both, making it ideal for tutorials, feedback, or presentations. The free plan is limited to 5-minute recordings, but it's a small price for such convenience. Now that we know its pros and cons, let's get into the installation and use phase. First up is the installation. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Loom in the search bar. Open the extension and click Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. After installation, the Loom icon will appear in your Chrome toolbar. Next comes the initial setup. Sign up or log in using your Google account. Allow Loom to access your camera, microphone, and screen. Finally comes the test recording. Click the Loom icon and choose your recording preferences. Select whether to record the entire screen, a specific window, or a Chrome tab. Click Start Recording. Perform the actions you want to record. Click the Recording tab and click End Recording to finish the recording. Loom will automatically open a new tab with your video for review. Share the video via a link, download it, or embed it directly in emails or websites. Finally, at our number 1, we have Screenity, a powerful and feature-rich screen recording extension that's gaining popularity fast. Despite being relatively new, it already boasts over 400,000 installs. Screenity offers unlimited recordings, annotations, and editing tools, all within your browser. It's perfect for those who want full control over their recordings without any time limits, though it doesn't include cloud storage in the free version. Now that we know its pros and cons, let's get into the installation process. First comes the installation process. Open the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Screenity. Click on Add to Chrome. Confirm by selecting Add Extension. The Screenity icon will appear in your Chrome toolbar once installed. Then is the initial setup. Click on the Screenity icon in your toolbar. Allow the extension to access your microphone, camera, and screen as needed. Finally comes the test recording. Click the Screenity icon. Choose what you want to record. The entire screen, a specific window, or a tab. Customize your recording settings, such as including a webcam feed, microphone audio, and cursor effects. Click Start Recording. Perform any actions you want to capture. Click the Stop icon to end the recording. The recording will open in a new tab where you can review and edit it. Edit your recording within the browser if needed. Save it locally, upload it to Google Drive, or share it using the provided link. That wraps up our guide to the best free screen recording extensions for Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're now ready to start capturing your screen with ease. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments which extension you like the most, or if you have any other favorites I should check out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.